Hello guys, so today we're going to be making another video. So today we're going to be unboxing the Xiomi Air Purifier 4 Compact. So this is the box right here guys. As you can see, this is the Xiomi Purifier. This is what you can see on the packaging right here. It has many interesting things to say about the purifier. Honestly, this product has been really good. Let's unbox it. So guys, this is the purifier itself. As you can see, this is how it looks. It's actually pretty compact. For reference from other videos, this is a Bluetooth speaker and this is its size between that. It's actually decently sized and it does a lot of work actually, guys. Here is the filter itself. As you can see, this filter is used because before I make a review, I always test things, and honestly guys, this purifier was really good. Just wait till we get to the specs. Also in the box you get the manuals and this power brick for the purifier itself. So guys, when you plug in your purifier, as you can see over here, there's the button and it connects to the Wi-Fi. And you have three modes: auto mode, night mode, and manual mode, which, as you can see, pushes a lot of air. It's actually pretty quiet. Here you change the brightness of the display. Let's put it to auto so you can hear me. And that's basically it for the controls of this purifier. Honestly guys, this is very close to the purifier, the microphone. This is all you hear, and this is night mode. You hear very little, and when it's not noticeable at all. Also, this has an app called Xiomi Home where you connect it to, and it's really seamless actually guys, because it connects to the Wi-Fi and it works seamlessly. Actually guys, I had no problems since I bought this purifier. Also, talking about purifying, this air purifier actually works guys. Honestly, I have it in my 3D printing room and it does help a lot for the dust and to keep the smell away, because it's also actually a carbon filter as well, and it does everything I want it to. So if you want a purifier to test, or for a room, or for anything small, this purifier will definitely be the best choice for you. It's an amazing purchase and it's not expensive actually guys. It's really not expensive. So guys, this is the Xiomi app. You just connect, let's call it the living room, and hit next. It will leave the same name. Do not share for now. Don't. And here we are. So it's 59% filter remaining after from the winter, so about half a year, and it's 59% remaining, which is pretty good actually. The good thing is it tells you the air quality, and you can also change the modes over here, and here you can change the speed, as you can probably hear. But let's leave it to auto. And there are many automations where you can import everything to Google Home, and you can also tell your smart speaker to turn on or off the air purifier, which is a really nice function. But this is all about the app. This is all the functionality you have. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions about this Xiomi air purifier, feel free to put them in the comments and I will answer to them as fast as possible.